guys, Queen of Hearts here, and welcome back to another video. It is Tuesday, May 7th. Yes, 2:24 p.m. I just got out of my meeting and I'm about to go to the gym. This hat is hurting my head, by the way. But y'all, let's talk about Cinco de Mayo. Went to this great restaurant in Charlotte called Mi Pueblo. Ate really good there, and then my friends and I went to a day party at Hip and Hops. I think that's what it's called. It was cool. Why could I not move yesterday? I worked from my bed all day yesterday. I could not get up, and I wasn't drunk. I wasn't tipsy or anything on Sunday, so I don't know what happened, but I had to get some much needed rest. So yeah, don't mind my hair. I'm planning to do something to actually, let me check the weather for this weekend, because it's Mother's Day weekend and I don't want to look a hot mess, but then again, I don't like putting too much heat on my hair. Ooh, it's gonna rain Thursday. Maybe I'll do it Friday morning. Yeah, bear with me, okay? So yeah, like I said, I'm about to go to the gym, and then I don't know what else after that, but I did want to come in and say, hold on, child, trying to work and create content at the same time. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say, hey, we're starting off a new vlog. I appreciate y'all for watching the last vlog. At some point I'm going to get into what this year has looked like for me. We're just in the 5th month. First of all, this year is flying by, but this year has rocked my world, and I'm actually going to do a separate video for my papa. If you all know, I was really close to my granddaddy, and he transitioned at the top of the year, and yeah, it really just rocked my world, and I feel the tears about to come down. My granddaddy raised me strong though, so although, you know, I have all of these emotions, I'm able to collect myself very quickly. But I miss him so much, and like I said, I'll do a separate video about what he meant to me. And I'm sitting here looking at his obituary of him smiling at me right now. I know he's super proud, and I'm gonna keep going. But anyways, we will get to that. Okay, ain't that bad. I just feel it all up in here, the tears wanting to roll down. But we'll get to that. I'm gonna go ahead with my day, and I will probably check back in with y'all tomorrow. So welcome to a new vlog. Peace. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. It is 4:15. I not too long ago came back. Sorry, it's lightning outside. But I not too long ago came back from the gym. Came back home because I had some packages to pick up, and I also needed to get some more red pepper hummus from Trader Joe's. Y'all know I'm on this healthy eating cleanse right now, so or healthy eating diet right now, so I ran through that. I ain't even gonna cap with you, it was so good. So I went to go get some more. Actually, let me go get it so I can show y'all. It's the red pepper hummus that I got from Trader Joe's. There we go. Don't worry about my nails, I'm gonna get a filling this week, but it's so good. So what I've been eating with it is, I need to get out of here. What I've been eating with it is carrots, and it's so good. And I've also been eating like if I get a sweet tooth, sorry, I got a lot going on. If I get a sweet tooth, I get the apple cinnamon rice cakes. I spread some peanut butter on top and add sliced strawberries on top. It's so good. Wanted to also go through my, do y'all hear that? The bottom about to fall out. And it's Bible study night. The devil is trying to make me sleepy, so I won't go to Bible study. Let's go through this PR. Let's go through this PR. And did my lights just blink? Y'all. All right, so the first one is KIEHL's. I threw away the box, but it was really pretty. They sent me the Super Multi-Corrective Cream. It says visibly firms, lifts, smooths, boosts radiance, moisturizes, girl, what? Moisturizes, evens texture, and enhances healthy complexion. This is what it looks like, and it's kind of thick, actually. So it's got kind of a thick consistency. I'm definitely gonna be using this because I've heard a lot of good things about KIEHL's. So they also sent this Better Screen UV Serum. It's sunscreen SPF 50+. Definitely gonna need to use that this summer. I feel like we're about to have a hot summer. This right here is the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. I am gonna have to look at all of the ingredients in here because I have really sensitive skin, and Lord, it's pouring down outside. And I can't just use anything, like especially on my face and neck. Oh my God, I will literally break out and look like a crunch bar. But let's see. Clinically tested to steadily promote skin surface turnover and visibly improve firmness, reduce wrinkles, and refine texture while minimizing discomforting effects, including redness, dryness, and peeling. All right, so that's all that I have from KIEHL's. Let's open up this Ski. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's another skincare brand. Off rip, I love how just perfect and sleek this packaging is. Love this red color. Let's open it up. Unbox lifelong youthful skin is what it says here. And here is this beauty. This is the facial treatment essence. It said it's for skin balancing. I just love this packaging. Oh, Patera facial treatment. So it looks like this product is proven to help dark spots, UVB generated surface oxidative damage reduced by powerful antioxidants. It helps with cell renewal on skin surface increase and to improve skin texture. So it has hyaluronic acid, retinol, niacinamide, and vitamin C. So that is all for this one. So thank you, Ski. Is it Ski? I'm not sure. But thank you so much for sending this over. And I have one more product that I picked up today that I want to show you guys. So last thing, I received a PR package from AZZARO. It says the most wanted, I want it, I dare it. Introducing the new Eau de Toilette Intense. If you were one of my, well, if y'all know my friends would be cracking up at me right now because I butcher everything. It says AZZARO is unveiling the most wanted Toilette Intense, a new masculine, fresh, and sensual fragrance for daring gentlemen to savor the thrill of adrenaline. So this is a male scent. Why would they send me that? But I ain't even gonna cat with you. When I got the package from my leasing office, I went ahead and sprayed it on me, and I love masculine scents. First of all, what is it? Bath and Body Works. What is that candle? Mahogany teakwood. Literally my favorite. And I also have, I believe it's called Sauvage. Like I have a roll-on of it, and I put that on to layer on top of like other girly perfumes that I have, and it smells so good. I don't know why I like masculine scents, but I do. Anyways, here is the box. So this is so sexy. And this is what it looks like. And I know I said I just came from the gym. I am gonna take a shower. I've already sprayed this one time, but I'll just have to spray it again because it just smells so good. Doesn't this look like a something to do with, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna spray it one more time. Oh, that smells so good. I don't care if it is a men's fragrance, I'm going to use it. You don't like it? Wash the dishes. So I'm about to try on a couple pieces that I just got from Fashion Nova because I am going on a trip next week for my friend's birthday, and I just need to make sure these pieces work out. So I would try them on camera, but I don't know, I hate like putting on stuff before it's time for me to actually wear it and letting other people see it. And I know this vlog is gonna be up before I go. So, I don't know, maybe I'll do a pack with me video and show you guys what the pieces look like. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have a lot to do before Bible study tonight, and I wanna make sure that I get something up this week. I have a lot going on this weekend, and I want to be able to capture those moments and put that in a separate vlog apart from unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will check in with y'all later.